How to crack NIMCET 2023 Tips and Tricks. Hello students, welcome back to another video of CollegeDekho. If you are wondering what are the key factors that you should know about scoring good marks in NIMCET, then this video is for you. In this video, we are going to focus on NIMCET 2023 preparation tips and tricks that can be used to ace the examination. As we all are aware that this is a national level entrance exam and seats for master's degree in NITs are restricted. This makes the exam extremely competitive. Your performance in the NIMCET test will be used to determine admission in participating colleges. So without wasting any further time, let us look at each component of NIMCET 2023 preparation strategy. Note the syllabus. Before beginning NIMCET preparation, you should properly review the syllabus. The NIMCET 2023 syllabus includes all topics and subtopics that are likely to be asked in the exam. This eliminates the possibility of missing out on any given topic. Understand the exam pattern. Along with the syllabus, it is crucial for candidates to understand the NIMCET exam pattern. The exam pattern contains all the information regarding the test, such as sort of questions that will be asked, the distribution of marks, the time duration, the marking scheme, and the other characteristics. Understanding the exam pattern will allow you to create an appropriate study strategy. Choose the right preparation resources. Choosing the correct preparatory material is of utmost importance. As per experts, candidates should prefer the quality of books rather than quantity. The best books can be picked up after keeping the following points in mind. The book picked by you covers the syllabus, provides factual information, the information is up to date and accurate, follows a practical approach rather than just imparting theoretical knowledge. Make a timetable. Once you've determined what you need to learn and have the best study material, it's time to figure out how to study. Create a timetable that includes your daily goals. This will assist you in completing the preparation within the time frame. Instead of focusing on one subject, devote time to each one. Solve mock tests and practice papers. One of the most efficient techniques for NIMCET preparation is to practice mock tests and sample papers. It will assist you in understanding your own strengths and shortcomings. Self-evaluation is critical. Take mock tests from time to time to evaluate your preparation. You can also enroll in a decent exam series given by several coaching institutes online. Mock tests and sample papers of NIMCET will assist you to eliminate the majority of exam day surprises. The more mocks you attempt, the faster and more accurate you will become. If you maintain a steady preparation plan and stick to it consistently, then NIMCET is not tough to pass. Never forget to keep a check on your health and physical being as well, as they will contribute to overall wellness for preparation. For any other queries, you can visit our official website or leave us a message in the question and answer box. CollegeDekho wishes you the best of luck for NIMCET 2023.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.